How does King County plan to close a $175 million budget gap, helping to save services that our residents rely on? I'm King County Executive Shannon Braddock. Employees in our office had spent months problem solving, finding creative ways to most effectively create a really efficient budget to send to our King County Council. We want to ensure that every taxpayer dollar is spent in a way that most effectively serves our communities. It's something we work toward every day. And this budget season brought some unique challenges. Federal funding cuts have impacted some of our staff and our services. Growing communities need more support. And on top of that, our ongoing structural budget gap can no longer just be resolved around the edges. For years, the costs of providing services in King County have outpaced our revenue. A 2001 law banned counties from raising property taxes more than 1% a year, plus additional revenue for new construction. But the costs of paying fair wages and buying basic goods have risen much faster. Our former executive, Dow Constantine, raised the alarm last year, warning of a $150 million gap that grew to $175 million by this past June because of inflation and other financial conditions. Without new income, we would have had to cut 80 sheriff's deputies, dozens of prosecutors and support staff, services for crime victims, and efforts to reduce gun violence, programs to help keep our young people out of the justice system, and resources to support the youth who are in it, and much more. The county was clear about this crisis. We made securing new resources a part of my 200-day plan. And as we propose a new budget, I'm thrilled to say that those services are safe. Here's how we shored things up. First, new revenue. State lawmakers and King County council members took action and allowed for a modest increase in the county's sales tax. That raised $203 million. But we didn't want to rely on new taxes alone. We also shaved costs wherever we could, from moving jail laundry services in-house to increasing the reuse of materials. Most of the money saved and the revenue raised went to preserving the services we have already been providing. The rest went toward funding critical services, from gun violence prevention and homelessness services to behavioral health, adding public defenders to handle heavy caseloads, and helping fund interpreters in superior and district courts. We are grateful to state lawmakers and council members for new revenue tools, to our residents for your support, and to our public servants who make all of this possible.